Now let's discuss the question answers. Answer the following questions. What does Rahila lose? So Rahila loses her golden bangle. Where does Rahila sit? Rahila sits under a wood apple tree. What does Rahila do? Rahila was counting the leaves. Where does the leaf fly? The leaf flies up and down, left and right, up in the air. Okay, you can write up and down and left and right. Where does the leaf fall? The leaf fall into a hole. कहाँ पे गिरी थी? Hole में. Why does Rahila laugh? Rahila laughs because she got her golden bangle back. Dash is crying. Who is crying? Rahila is crying. Dash is falling from the tree. क्या गिरा था tree से? Leaf. The wind is blowing. The leaf dances dash and down, dash and right. The leaf dances up and down and left and right. Rahila dash up the leaf. तो Rahila picks up the leaf. उसने leaf उठा लिया था. Now look at the pictures in the lesson. Write answers to the following question. So now we are discussing this. Okay. And you have to write in your book only because this is picture based question na, so it will be easy when you see the picture. Okay, how many flowers are there on the rose bush? You can see here how many flowers are there in the rose bush. 1 2 3 4. So you can write FOUR4 or number also, whatever is convenient to you na, you can write. How many wood apples are there on the grass? Now we have to come to the first page. How many apples are there on the grass? ये देखो. How many apples? 1 2 3 4 5. So how many wood apples are there on the grass? 5. How many bangles does Rahila have? You can see in the picture how many bangles. 1 2 3. Now here also 1 2 3. Here also we can see 1 2 3. So how many bangles does Rahila have? 3. How many birds are on the branches? Branch पे कितनी birds हैं? We can see 1 2. How many birds are on the branches? 2. How many pots are near the wall? Near the wall के पास कितने pots हैं? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So beta, you have to read it properly. Now after the chapter, today we will solve this worksheet. Tick the correct option. What does Rahila lose? क्या? What does Rahila lose? Bangle or toy? So Rahila lose her golden bangle. Where does Rahila sit? Under a banana tree or wood apple tree? So Rahila sits under a wood apple tree. What does Rahila do? Counts apple or counts leaf? So she was counting the leaves. Where does the leaf fly? Up in the air or down in the hole? उड़ कहाँ रही थी? Up in the air. Where does the leaf fall? अब गिरी कहाँ पे? Into a hole or on the roof? तो into a hole. It falls into a hole ना, एक hole में गिर गई थी. Now fill in the blanks with suitable correct words. Dash is crying. Who is crying? कौन रो रहा था? Rahila. Dash is falling from the tree. What is falling from the tree? Leaf. The wind is blowing. The leaf dances dash and down, dash and right. So leaf dances up and down and left and right. राहिला डैश अप द लीफ. क्या किया था राहिला ने? टिक्स अप द लीफ. बेटा these question answers and these fill in their blanks you will be able to solve if you have read the chapter carefully. इसलिए दैट्स वाई रीडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरी वन हैज़ टू रीड 2 टाइम्स. आपको रीडिंग करना है, देन यू विल गेट ऑल द आंसर्स. आपको सारे आंसर्स पता चल जाएगा. नो नीड टू लर्न, ओनली रीडिंग इज मस्ट. नाउ पुट अ टिक और अ क्रॉस मीन्स राइट रॉन्ग करना है. इफ़ द स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट then we have to tick, and if the statement is wrong then we have to put a cross mark. Rahila loses her silver bangle. Silver bangle था क्या? No. Rahila loses her golden bangle. तो this statement is wrong. We have to put cross. Rahila is laughing. No. Rahila is not laughing. Rahila is crying. तो this statement is also wrong. Rahila takes the leaf टू शो हर मम. लेके गई थी ना मम्मा को शो करने के लिए. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. तो वी हैव टू पुट टिक मार्क. ओके.